Wipe manufacturers have seen a great increase in their demand due to COVID-19, especially the disinfectant wipe manufacturers. This increased demand has forced them to ramp up their production and work 24/7. Based on this, their main challenge now is to keep downtime to a minimum and increase production speeds if their equipment allows it. With Shuttleworth, we're able to provide custom, proven solutions for these lines and help wipe manufacturers reduce the downtime to be able to operate 24/7 and meet the demand. Also, our slip torque technology is able to gently handle the unwrapped wet wipes and evenly feed the downstream equipment such as wrappers. We can also handle the wet wipes after they're packaged, no matter the presentation, therefore improving the end-of-line operations. With our proprietary design, the longevity of our equipment, washdown capabilities, and minimal overall maintenance, we can definitely help any wipe manufacturer increase their throughput.